right here. And congratulations, you have now successfully installed WordPress and your website is now live on the internet. All right, congratulations, you now have a website online. So you installed WordPress and your website is online. So in this next section, I'll be showing you all how to make pages, how to install WordPress themes, and just how to start designing your new WordPress website with the Elementor page builder. So let's go back to the video. Okay, so this is the backend. This is the dashboard where you can make changes and you can adjust your website. However, if you want to look at your website right now while it's live on the internet, on the top left, you can click on your website name and click on Visit Sites. And this is your current WordPress website. So it's using a default theme. It's kind of bland, kind of boring, but not to worry, we can make it look really, really good. Let's go back to the back end. So to go to your back end, you'll go to Dashboard. Now, before we build the website, we need to make some small changes to the general settings. First, we'll go to Users and we'll go to Profile. This is where you can adjust your profile and also change your email and password for your WordPress website. You can also select a specific color scheme, and I do like this new modern one, so I think we're gonna stick with this one, but you are more than welcome to go with any sort of scheme that you want. We'll scroll down. Now, if you ever wanna change the email for your website, you can do that right here. And this is very important because if you forget your password, it'll go to this email. So make sure it's an email that you have access to. Then under new password, we can set a new password. So you can select a new password there if you ever want to change it. And then once you're done with all those settings and all that good stuff, you'll click on Update Profile at the bottom. Now, one other thing I want to mention, if you speak a specific language, you can change that within the backend. Under Settings, you can click on General. And right here for site language, WordPress has various languages that you can switch. It has different dialects, and they did a really good job at translating all these languages. So you can go ahead and pick a language that you're comfortable, or if you speak English like me, you can just leave it as default as English. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the permalinks for the website. Under the Settings tab, under permalinks, go ahead and click on that. Now we're gonna change this right here to post name. Now the reason why we're doing this is because when you visit a website, usually it's, yourwebsite.com-about us, right? Or -services or -contact us. So we don't really need all of this right here. And actually this is much better for SEO and it's very good for optimization. So go ahead and select post name, scroll to the bottom, and then click on Save Changes. At this point, we are now ready to start designing the website. So under the Appearance tab, go ahead and click on Themes. And let's click on Add New at the top. And next I'll click on Popular. Now let me explain WordPress themes. So essentially how WordPress themes work is every WordPress website has a specific theme and style. Every single one of these themes has very similar options to each other. One might have something that looks different than the other, but ultimately it's just a different way to frame and style your website. However, with today's page builders, a lot of these themes are becoming a little bit more obsolete because you can use the page builder to design everything. Now, the theme that we're going to use for this specific tutorial is called Astra. Under Search Themes, the theme's right here, but if you don't see it, just go ahead and type in Astra. Now, the good thing about selecting a WordPress theme is that you can always switch different themes. Let's say, for example, you're using the default theme, or you're using something like, here I'll click on Popular. Let's say, for example, you're using Hello Elementor and you want to switch to Astra. You can do that and you will not lose your work. So remember, it's the page builder doing all the work, which we are going to install next. So under the Astra, you'll click on Install. All right, it's installed. Now let's activate it. All right, awesome. So we have now installed the Astra theme. The Blocksy is also a very good theme. They don't have a lot of starter templates, but I'll talk more about themes and switching a little bit later in the video. Now, since we switched the theme, we can go ahead and take a look at our website. So I'll go back over here to Visit Websites. And now you'll see how the website has sort of changed. It has a different scheme. It has a different style. So remember, WordPress themes are essentially just different ways on how to frame your website. So now that we have our website up, let's go ahead and make some pages. So